I have made posting. Okay, listen this thing. What did I say? That participants, please don't mute yourselves. Okay, participants will not mute. Other students will remain on mute mode. Okay, but the participants will not mute themselves. Okay. Yes, Yamini, you have said, and now over to
Kanika.
And don't take ma'am. Okay, ma'am, you will not say ma'am because I am not in your game. Okay, I am out of your game. Yes, Kanika. I think network issues with Kanika.
Yes,
Kanika. Network issue. Okay, over to Alokit. Yes, Alokit. Alokit, you are also not very audible, beta. Okay, over to then Aditya. 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 Okay, I think with the Kanika network issues there. Okay, we are taking Mehak. Okay, Mehak 981. Now
Yes,
listen. Now listen to the participants once again. Mehak. Aditya, I think there is no network issue with you. Mehak, Aditya, and Alokit. I think Alokit is also facing some network issue. Ananya 2833.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now, beta, listen. Participants are Mehak, Ananya, Yamini, Aditya, Vanshpal Gupta. Okay. Students, you wait for your turn. Next 5 participants I will take. Okay. Now, participants are Alokit. I will take your turn later on. Okay, beta. I will take your turn later on because sometimes it's mean that there is some network issue. Okay. I will take your turn. Okay, beta. Because you are not audible to me. Okay. Now Mehak, Ananya, Yamini, Aditya, and Vanshpal Gupta. Okay. Now Vanshpal Gupta, please again start your story. Vanshpal.
There was a boy. His name is Arun. His name
Vanshpal,
is Arun.
Vanshpal,
His name is
again and again. Vanshpal, again and again, same mistake you are doing. First you said once there was a boy, and then you said his name was.
Once there was a boy.
Okay. Once there was a boy, then
his name is Arun.
His name was. His name was Arun. Okay, okay. Now over to
Yamini.
Yamini. Okay, Yamini.
Ma'am, Arun went to a city. He was a poor man. He with his four children, in which 3 was girls and 1 was a boy, and her wife was passed away before the 2 years. He went to Shimla.
Okay,
and
okay, Yamini, over to Gardu beta.
Over to Mehak.
Okay, third is Mehak.
Then he went to Shimla. So his 3 girls was very younger from the 4th boy. Then one girl of them. Then he decided to marry one of girl them in the Shimla over to Ananya.
Okay, over to Ananya. 4th is Ananya, and 5th will be Aditya.
Mehak will repeat again. I have not listened.
No, beta, you better for other students' turn will not come. Okay, don't tell me that. Okay, you just annex it. You just add it.
Yes.
To 1 or 2 lines. Okay, mostly 2 lines. Only 2 lines add. Where she has dropped. They went to Shimla. She said.
the younger
Student
sister was studying and the in a college, and the and one boy was studying in first or second standard.
Okay, over to Aditya.
Over to Aditya.
Okay, Aditya. Aditya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, better do fast. Better otherwise we will not enjoy this game. If you will not respond properly, then we are not going to enjoy this game. Aditya. Aditya, what happened? Again and again, I have to change the participants. Okay, Kanika is there. Okay, Kanika. Kanika.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you tell. You weave a story. You weave a story, beta. Kanika. Then what happened when a girl was studying in a college and a boy was in first or second standard? Then
The whole family went to a place.
Ma'am.
yes, beta. Yes.
The whole family went to a place where they saw when they are there they saw a small box.
Okay.
Then they saw a small box. Then the boy opened a small box and he saw that it was a small letter.
Okay. Okay. Only
Past
beta.
two.
Only.
Ma'am.
Only add 1 or 2 lines. Okay. Not more than 2 lines. Okay. Because I want
Ma'am.
other students to play this game. Okay. Yes.
मैम मैं डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था.
Okay. Over to Vanshpal. Vanshpal.
मैम.
Yes.
मैम मैं डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था.
So what, beta? If you were disconnected, then it doesn't matter. You just annex the story. Then what happened, beta?
Ma'am,
Okay, over to this. Yeah. Yamini.
Ma'am,
Listen.
then he
Okay, very good. Better listen to me. Listen to me. The participants are first Vanshpal, then Yamini, third Mehak, fourth Ananya, 2833, and fifth is Kanika. Okay. 5 participants. No, three turns will come because I want other students to participate in it. First of all, just add 1 or 2 lines. Okay. 2 lines you should add, and then over to this, and in the last, close your story. Moral, this and that. Okay. Yes, Vanshpal. Vanshpal.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. They visit ma'am Shimla, and his son is.
Okay, Ananya, we are weaving a story. We are playing a game. Its name is weaving a story. Weave a story. Okay, we are doing this. We are weaving a story. 5 students are there. Okay, Aditya, if you were disconnected, and it doesn't matter, I will take your turn. Okay. Okay, now nobody will interrupt. Okay. After that, over to Yamini. And better
Yes,
be
ma'am.
ready. Okay, be ready with your turns and be ready with your dialogues. What dialogues you will utter. Okay.
In that letter, it was written that his father has taken so much loan from the bank, and he for her younger sister's marriage, but no boy was ready to marry her because they were so poor. Over to Mehak.
So no boy did not marry the girls. So the girls decided to join a medical college in the Shimla. Over to Kanika.
In Shimla, but she did not got the job. Then she applied and for the job. At last, she got a job in the medical college. Pass
Over
to
to Ananya.
Ananya.
Over to Ananya.
At last, the girls will decided to study in medical college, and they have taken degrees, and the boys comes to marry of the three girls.
Over to Vanshpal.
Over to
Okay, Vanshpal.
Vanshpal.
Okay, Vanshpal, now close the story, give a moral and close the story. Okay, Vanshpal. Yes, Vanshpal.
The moral of the story is
Yes, moral of the story is, what is the moral of the story which you have weaved? What is its moral? You have started. Now tell me what is its moral? Yes, it is very confusing for Vanshpal to tell its moral. Okay, now next, let me write the name of participants. Okay, Vanshpal, give the moral, beta. Every story should have a moral.
over to ma'am. Over to Yamini.
Okay, you have passed to Yamini. Okay, Yamini, you tell the moral of the story.
Ma'am, the moral of the story is, if you are not getting success before, try again and again to get success, and the hard work is the way to success.
Okay, very good. Okay, very good, beta. Okay, now your story closes. You weave a good story. Okay, now the next participants are Bhavna Sharma. Beta, turn on your cameras. Bhavna Sharma, first number, Bhavna Sharma, then Ananya Dogra, third Atharv, fourth Mannat, and fifth Alokit if you don't have any network issue. Alokit. Alokit, you're not visible to me. Alokit. Alokit, please tell if you have any network issue or not, because I don't want any interruption in the story. Bhavna Sharma, okay, yes, Bhavna Sharma, then Ananya Dogra, third is Athara, fourth Mannat, fifth Alokit, and sixth Kasak. Okay, now 6 participants are there. Bhavna, listen to the participants, and you will also say so, pass to, over to. Okay, Bhavna Sharma, Ananya, Athar, then Mannat, Alokit, and Kasak. Okay, now Bhavna, you start, beta. You start your story. Only you will say, listen, you will say only 1 or 2 lines, okay? And yes, listen, be ready, okay? So your story moves very fast, okay? So, yes, Bhavna.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम जैसे मैम ये स्टोरी मैम हमें खुद बनानी है मैम, फिर आगे पास करके मैम वो
in the same way, okay. This story you will make yourself, okay. This is a fictional story, okay. This is not a real story. You will weave a story, okay. And when Bhavna's turn is over, then when Bhavna will say 1 or 2 lines, then she will say over to Ananya. Then Ananya will add 1 or 2 lines to that story, and he will say over to Athar. Then again Athar is supposed to add 1 or 2 lines, then over to Mannat, over to Alokit, over to Kasak. Circle will again move, and Bhavna Sharma turns. Bhavna Sharma's turn will be there.
Actually,
this is a circle. Yes.
Ma'am,
yes.
Ma'am, class.
Alokit has left the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Aditya, now you are ready. Aditya is ready.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay. Now in 5th number, Aditya is there. Okay, Bhavna, start weaving a story. Bhavna.
There was a young man named Raghav. I was walking through a forest. He came across a well. Passed to Ananya.
Ma'am,
Over to Ananya.
I can't listen the story clearly.
But you should be attentive in the class. Again and again, the story will not be repeated. Okay? Okay, Bhavna Sharma, last time better.
Yes,
please repeat.
There was a young man named Raghav was walking through a forest. He came across a well.
Over to Ananya.
Over to Ananya.
Yes, Ananya. Ananya, do fast. Ananya, you have to add 2 lines. Ananya has left the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, over to Atharv. Atharv, better turn on your camera. Those who are sitting with their cameras off, please turn on your cameras. Again and again, same thing. Atharv.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, my registration number is changed.
Beta, you please talk to your charge, okay? 8th class, Anuradha ma'am is your class in charge, okay? Okay, beta, Vanshpal, got it?
मैम मैंने ये बोला कि मैम मेरे को नया रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर मिला तो मैम आप मेरा ये वाला रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर चेंज कर लो.
Okay, okay.
मैम
Then
मेरा
go to beta message kar,
Ma'am,
okay? Do okay, Vanshpal, do message beta. Okay, Ananya Dogra has left the class. Okay, Atharv. Mannat. Mannat. Yes, Mannat. What game we should play with you? Okay, what game we should play? Okay, if you're not able to speak, you will just leave the class. Okay, Shabnam Chaudhary. Shabnam Chaudhary.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Bhavna has said. Bhavna has weaved the story. Now you please add one or 2 lines. Is as Bhavna has said, they went to a forest. Okay, he went to a forest. He saw a well. After that,
She don't know what is this.
then
He
okay, who is sitting beside you? Who is sitting beside you? No one.
ma'am, my sister.
Okay, okay. Then what happened? Okay, over to Kanika. Okay, Kanika. Okay. आपके साथ what game should I play?
मैम मैं
Over to Kanika.
मैम he was very hungry.
You have made a very boring game, beta. You have made a very boring
मैम
game.
मैं
Mannat, what about you? Why didn't you give the response, Mannat?
मैम मेरा
Double
एक नोट नहीं हो रहा था. मैम अब हो गया.
Okay. Now, Bhavna Sharma, Shabnam Chaudhary, Kanika, Aditya, and Kasak. Are you ready or not? First of all, tell me, because
I'm ready.
if you are leaving the class, then we will not play this game. Bhavna, you are ready?
Kanika.
Yes,
Ma'am, Kanika.
Okay, Bhavna, you are ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Shabnam Chaudhary is ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kanika is ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Kanika? Okay, very good.
Yes.
Aditya, what about
I'm
Aditya?
ready.
Ready, very good. And Kasak? No response.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Shubhangi?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can I start the story?
Okay, wait a minute. Kasak is not ready. What about Shubhangi Narayan? Shubhangi, are you willing to participate? Shubhangi. Okay, Abhinav. Abhinav. Abhinav.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, actually, I will not ask your wish that are you willing to participate. I'm just telling you, you will participate in this game, okay? Abhinav.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the participants are, listen to me, Bhavna Sharma, Shabnam Chaudhary, Kanika, Aditya, and Abhinav. Okay, Shabnam Chaudhary, start your game. Weave a story.
Yes, ma'am. Once there was a crow. He was very thirsty. He fly here and there in the search of water. Over to Bhavna.
Shabnam Chaudhary, wait a minute. Better don't weave this story, Thirsty Crow. Don't say this thing. Thirsty Crow story is there, okay? You weave your own story. Okay, don't say about Thirsty Crow, Hungry Fox and the Grapes. Okay, you weave your own story. अपनी story बनानी है. Okay. ये Shabnam.
Once upon a time, there was a girl. He lived with her family.
She lived with her family.
She lived with his family. Over to Bhavna.
Okay, over to Bhavna. Over to Bhavna.
Yes, ma'am. They are very poor and they lived in a very small house. Over to Kanika.
One day, they do not have the food and they all went in the forest to find out the food.
Very good, very good. Over to Aditya.
Then he saw a tree of mango and then he saw mango tree and they pick a stone and hid the mango. Over to
Abhinav. Over to Abhinav. Okay, Abhinav.
When he see two off-road, he go to right side of road and he saw a hut.
Okay.
Over to
Shabnam.
Over
to Shabnam. Yes, Shabnam.
Ma'am,
Abhinav has made us confused where the story leads to, but Abhinav, it's okay, beta. At least you have tried. That is the main thing, that you have tried. You have not left the class, but you have tried, okay? That is the main thing. Very good, Abhinav. Okay, Shabnam Chaudhary, now annex the story. Add something to this story. Abhinav has made Shabnam confused. Now Shabnam is very confused. Shabnam is in dilemma. What should I say? Hey, Shabnam. Dekho, Shabnam, first group was good, doing very good. Okay, first group was doing very good. All parties were doing quite good. Okay, and what about your group? Yeah, Shabnam.
Ma'am,
If you have no words, over to Bhavna.
May I?
Shabnam.
Ma'am, Abhinav was say they saw what they saw.
Okay, Abhinav, tell her what did they see? What did they see?
Ma'am, they see two off-road and
they saw.
Ma'am, they see two off-road. He go to right side off-road and he saw a hut.
Okay, but I think they were throwing stones on the mangoes and from the orchards. Okay, from that the mangoes, they went to a hut. Okay, okay.
Ma'am, may I?
They saw a hut. Okay. No, they saw a hut. Shabnam Chaudhary, Abhinav has said that they saw a hut. Then what? Then Shabnam.
They
Now this game made you think, okay? Now you are thinking, what should I speak? Vocabulary should be there, beta. You should know what these words are, what do we call these? So increase your vocabulary, okay? Now, Shabnam, you can pass your turn to Bhavna. Okay?
ma'am, over to Bhavna.
Okay.
Then he entered the hut and he saw a box of sugar and past Kanika.
Okay. Pass to Kanika.
Then he saw a box of sugar, and in the hut there was no one, and he want to take some sugar, but in hut there was no one. And then what to do? He take some sugar and take some sugar with him and went back to his home. Pass
Okay.
to
Kastik is not participating. This Shabnam, Bhav, Kanika, Aditya, and Abhinav. 5 are there.
pass to Abhinav.
Over to Aditya. Okay, Abhinav is in the last turn. Aditya. Then now sugar they have taken with them. Then what?
When he was going to home, he saw he saw some food and picked the food and go to his home. And he tell her wife everything. Pass to Abhinav.
Okay, Abhinav.
When he coming to his home, he saw a lion. When he saw a lion,
But Abhinav, wait a minute, beta. Wait a minute, Abhinav. Abhinav is quite naughty in our story, like Puck. Like Puck, he has confused everyone. Okay, am I right now? Like Puck, he has confused everyone. Okay, what we have read in Summer's Night Dream, like Puck, he's just like Puck. Now, Abhinav, let me tell you this thing that he has arrived in his house. Okay, he has arrived. He has told everything to his wife. Then what? Okay, now he has told everything to his wife. Then what? Now, from this you have to add. Then what was the reaction of his wife? Okay, what was the reaction of his wife, Abhinav? Yes, Abhinav. Okay, Abhinav, tell me, beta. After your story, okay, you end the story and give a moral. Okay, give a moral to this story. Pass to Shabnam. You are not able to speak. Beta, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. Your game should not be like this. Okay, this is your first time, so I'm not saying you anything. So, better for me, increase your vocabulary first of all. Everyone, okay. I'm not talking about Abhinav only. Everyone, okay. First of all, increase your vocabulary because you know what to speak. तुम्हें पता है कि तुमने क्या बोलना, but you don't know the proper word. तुम्हें proper word नहीं आ रहा है. Okay, story you can make. Okay, if I will say that weave a story in Hindi, then you all will give a very fantastic story. Okay, but in English, what is happening that you are not able to know what word should I use for this particular thing. Means vocabulary is not. Okay, vocabulary is not. So please increase your vocabulary. How you can increase your vocabulary, Arun Chaudhary? How you can increase your vocabulary? Very easy method to increase your vocabulary. What is that? Arun Chaudhary. Ayush Parmar, 2086. Ayush Parmar, what is the best method to increase your vocabulary? What is the best method to increase your vocabulary? Ayush Parmar. What are you looking behind, beta? Yes, Ayush, what is the best method? Very good answer is correct. Reading newspaper is the best method to increase your vocabulary. Okay, reading newspaper is the best method. Please read English newspaper. Actually, from many weeks, we have not read our newspaper in English. Next week, we will definitely read newspaper headlines. Okay. Now, students, anything you want to ask? Did you enjoy your game? Did you enjoy your